Nothing CEO Carl Pei has officially confirmed that the company's next flagship smartphone, the Nothing Phone 3, will be launched in a few days. This is the company's third-generation phone. According to a tipster, Blass, Pei confirmed the news via mail. In Nothing Phone 3, you are going to get Nothing's own AI-powered platform. Actually, according to the recent report of Android headlines, this upcoming phone of Nothing is going to enter with a special feature of iPhone. In today's video, we will give information about the full leaked features, price, and launch date of this great smartphone. So let's get started. Features of Nothing Phone 3. Display. Talking about the display, Nothing's this phone is going to come with a 6.75-inch Full HD Plus LTPO OLED display. Along with the refresh rate of 120 Hz, touch sampling rate of 380 Hz is also going to be seen. Apart from this, the company can also bring something new in the glyph interface, which is the specialty of Nothing. Yes, it is also going to have an in-display fingerprint sensor also. Processor. Talking about the processor, the upcoming phone will be a premium device, which the company is going to launch in the market, with Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. It is a mobile chipset built on 4nm fabrications, which is capable of running at clock speeds of up to 3 GHz. And if we talk about the operating system, you will get to see Nothing 3.0 in it. Camera setup. Talking about camera setup, you will get to see triple camera setup in it, whose primary camera is going to be 64 megapixels, with OIS support. Apart from this, it is going to get 2 more camera sensors. Well, if we talk about selfie camera, you will get to see a 32 megapixel front camera. Battery backup. Talking about the battery, you will get to see a 5000 mAh battery in it, which is going to get features like 45-watt wire charging, 15-watt QI wireless charging, and 5-watt reverse charging. Price or launch date. Talking about the price, Nothing Phone 3 can be launched worldwide at a price of $550. And if we talk about the launch date, it will be presented in a few days.